Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share some steps so that you can use MATLAB and Simulink for free. That too for 30 days. Okay, if you don't want to install any application and you want to use MATLAB Simulink for your practice purpose or any other purpose. Okay, let me share some steps so that you can use MATLAB and Simulink for free. Just create one personal Gmail account, then search on Google MATLAB online. Then click on this link and here just select country and fill details and all. Okay, I will select India. Then I will click start using MATLAB online. It will take you to sign in. Okay, just click on create one. Okay, just create one. You have to create new account and fill all your details. Let me share. Okay, my screen. Okay, it is visible, my Gmail is visible. I will add this Gmail account here. Then I will select my location India and I will select which best describes you. I will select student. Are you at least 13 years or older? I will check yes. Then click on create. Okay, if you have any university email ID or your office email ID, you can use, but I will suggest you to click on continue. Then go to your Gmail account and here just verify your account. Okay, click on verify email. Then add your first name. I will add my first name, then last name. Then just create one unique password. And this you can select as a student, graduate level. Okay, then department you select. If you are from aerospace engineering, then you can select department as this. I will select electrical and computer engineering. Then location of your college and university, I will select India. Then college name, I will give some random name. Okay, then okay, this is optional, no need to enter anything. Just check this and click on create. Okay, there's some mistake I made. Okay, just I will remove this one. Now I will click on create. Okay, again I have to create password. I will create this password. Sorry for the delay. Okay, now I will click on create. Then you can see this window. Now click on try now. You can try 1 month free. If you want to practice MATLAB and Simulink, then go with this option. Here you don't need to install any application and you don't need to pay any amount. Just fill details and that's it. Okay, I will select my state, that is Karnataka, and city Bangalore, zip code. I will select this as no. Then graduate year I will keep 2022. Then for Simulink essentials, then click on submit. Okay, it will take few seconds. After that you can start using MATLAB and Simulink. Okay, let me share with you how to use. Here you don't need to install any application, just click on open MATLAB online and you can use MATLAB and Simulink for 30 days without paying any money. Okay, it will take few seconds to load, we will wait. And by the way, you can also read many articles related to MATLAB and Simulink in our blog. Link is in description. Here you can see MATLAB. And if you want to use Simulink, just click on this Simulink. Okay, let it load. Okay, here you can see now it is completely loaded. Now I will click on Simulink and you can start using MATLAB and Simulink for free by following this method. Okay, it's loading and click on blank model to create your design. This is how you can use MATLAB and Simulink for free without paying any amount and without installing in your PC. You can just use online MATLAB for 30 days. And if you want to use after 30 days, then you have to pay around 100 USD based on tools you want to add. Okay. And if you want to check the price of MATLAB, just search MATLAB price, anything. Okay, MATLAB price you can check and you will get all details here. Now you can see Simulink is open. Here you can design and you can practice Simulink design. You can design various models and all for 30 days. I hope this video may help you all a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.